Good morning and welcome back. This is your Distant Learning for Hampton Prep Scholars, 4th grade. Today is the first day of May, 2020. It's a beautiful Friday. In math today, we're going to be working with TEK 4.4H. That is problem solving, and this is part 2 of that. Here are some reminders. Don't forget to take your attendance and your Class Dojo portfolios. Don't forget to complete the assignments that are assigned to you in the study island. That's math and reading. Your writing assignments are located in the No Red Ink website. Don't forget to attend at least one Zoom meeting a week. And please, please, please stay safe. You can do that by wearing your mask when going into public, washing your hands very, very often, and using sanitizer in between that. Okay, so with this TEK, it's some rules. It's the rules to this. So the first thing I need you to do is to read the problem twice. The third time you read your problem, I need you to draw and label. You're going to find your important numbers, your important words. You're going to draw a picture to go along with the story. You know, I love drawing pictures to go along with the stories. You're going to write an equation, and then you're going to solve the problem. You're going to check your answers, write an answer statement or a justification statement. Okay? Some vocabulary that you need to be mindful of. The word solve, fluency, one step, two step, multiplication, division, remainders. That's when we are dividing. All right, one word that stuck out to me that I think you need to know, important word of the day, it's fluency. Fluency means the scholars knows how to approach the problem mathematically and complete the work accurately. So, fluency is very important when solving word problems. And you need to know how to do them. Approach it mathematically and complete the work accurately. If it's not accurate, then it's wrong. Okay? So, let's begin. Our essential questions for today. Number 1, what does it mean for a problem to be a two-step problem? Number 2, how do you determine when to multiply in a problem? And you can, of course, guess number 3, how do you determine when to divide in a problem? So I want you to think about that as we go along these next a few examples. Okay, problem number 1. Red, orange, and blue socks are on sale for $4. If Stanley buys 2 pairs of each, how much will he spend? Go ahead and pause the video, then come back and let's work this together, or you check your work. Okay, let's read it again. Red, orange, and blue socks are on sale for $4. If Stanley buys 2 pairs of each, how much money will he spend? Okay, so red, orange, blue. This is my picture. Red, orange, blue, right? Red, orange, blue. And sell for $4. They're $4. Okay? $4. Each one of them is $4, right? If Stanley buys 2 pairs of each, so red, he buys 2 pairs. Orange, he buys 2 pairs. Blue, he buys 2 pairs. So, how much money will he spend? So, how do we know? So, if he has 2 pairs of red and they're $4 each, we have to multiply. And okay? So, total. He had 2, 4, 6. 6 times 4. So let's find out. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. So 8 times 3 equals $24. Right? Now, what is 6 times 4? 24. $24. There's several ways how you can get this. So let's just draw another picture just because. Make sure we capture everybody. So red, orange, blue. You spend $4 for this one, $4 for that, for each one, right? Yeah, we do that too. No matter. So we can add them up, or you can simply multiply. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 4 equals 24, or 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals $24. There's a many ways you can attack this problem and solve it to get the correct solution. Okay, let's move on to number 2. Red, orange, and blue socks are on sale for $4. Stanley buys 2 pairs of each and a pair of shoes for $17. How much does he spend altogether? Red, orange, blue socks on sale for $4. He buys 2 pairs of each. That's the same thing we just did. So guess what? We're ahead of the game because we've already worked the first part of this problem. So now we have to do another step, which makes this a multi-step problem. And so now we got to solve for it. And the only difference between number 1 and number 2 is that he added a pair of shoes for $17. Did he add 2 pairs? No, it just says a pair. So we must take the $24 and we do what? We will add 24 plus 17 and we will see how much he spent altogether. So let's just do that. So 24 plus 17, let's add. 7 plus 4 is 11. You write down your 1 in your 1 space, and then you write down the 1 in the 10s. So 2 plus the 1 from what's over here makes 3, plus 1 more is 4. So you add that together, and he spent a total of $41 for how many pairs of socks? 6 pairs of socks and 1 pair of shoes. Okay? So, this is my sentence, just a special sentence. Over here, it'll be, what's his name? Stanley paid $24 for his socks. Okay? Let's move on to number 3. How does your answer from problem 1 help you to solve problem 2? So what you would do is, how do we help? So we had already had the first step done. So it was $24. So we just had to add the $17 for the shoes to get the answer for problem 2. Okay? 8 students equally share 32 oranges. If you are trying to find how many oranges will each one receive, then you must answer these questions as part of the process. What is the known? We do know that we have 8 students, and we do know that they're trying to share 32 oranges. What is the unknown? We do not know how many oranges do each student get. Okay, and what do we need to find? We need to find how many times 8 will go into 32. So what is the solution? So your solution will be 8 divided by 32 equals, pause the video. Okay, you back? Alright, so then we need to write the division problem. 8 divided into 32. So if you don't know it right off bat, you can remember the song that we've been learning all year. Here we go. I'm going to say my 8s, you're going to think I'm great. I'm going to say my 8s, you're going to think I'm great. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, you heard me, 72, 80. I'm going to say my 8s, you're going to think I'm great. I'm going to say my 8s, you're going to think I'm great. I know I'm not going to do it. So, how many times 8 are going to 32? Let's go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 times 8 equals 32 with a remainder of 0. So, the answer to this question is each student will receive 4 oranges. How nice. Okay? All right, on to the next one. Number 5. Can 8 students equally share 46 oranges? Why or why not? Okay, so the first thing you would do, can 8 students equally share 48 oranges? What that look like in a numerical sense? In a numerical problem, what would that look like? It would look like 8 and the bracket, and then the in total will be 46. So that's what they're asking you. Divide 8 into 46. Is it possible? It is possible. It is possible. However, you will, let's see what it looks like. Because I don't see 46 on our list of over here. Do you? No. So let's go. 8 going to 46. Well, 8 won't go into 46 equally. So, but it will go in there at least 5 times. Because 5 times 8 equals 40. And 46 minus 40 is 6. So, it'll be 5 wholes and with a remainder of 6. So, to answer the question, why? No. Why? Because when you divide 8 into 46, you get 5 groups. 6 doesn't make money. You have 5 groups of 8, and then you have 6 in one group by itself. So that it cannot make a complete whole. So how many more would you need to make a complete whole, to make it 6? If you said 2, then you're absolutely correct. All right, let's go to the next one. There are 60 kids at tennis camp. The coach wants to put the kids into 12 groups. How many kids will be in each group? Okay, this is your time to pause the video. Go ahead and work it out and come back and let's check it together. Okay. We know that there are 60 kids. We know that they were trying to put them in 12 groups. So we need to take 12 and we need to see how many groups of 12 can we get out of the number of 60. So then we will go over here and we will write our groups of 12. 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 4 is 48. 12 times 5 is 60. So 12 times 5 is 60. Then they can put them in groups of 5 groups with no remainders. So 5 times 12 is 60. So the answer to the question of how many groups would there be of 60 kids of 12 is 5 groups. So what do we know? We know that there are 60 kids. We know that they want to put them in 12 groups. We know the unknown at the time was how many groups. And we needed to find how many groups of 12 was in the number 60. and the solution was 5 groups. Which in the sentence, there will be 5 groups of scholars with no extras. Okay? Now, pop question time. Pop question time. Here's your pop question. Victor gets paid $19 for every hour he works and $25 bonus every week. How much will Victor make if he works 30 hours a week? How much money will he make 30 hours a week? Now, when you're answering this question, I want you to make sure you draw me a picture. When you send your answer, send the picture. Send it with a picture. I would love to see the pictures. Okay? Well, this is the end of your lesson for today in math. Your assignment has already been published. It is called Math First, Problem Solving Part 2 in Study Island. So, don't forget to send me your pop question answers. Don't forget to take your attendance. And don't forget to complete your Study Island assignments. And also in no red ink. Well, this has been Miss Jackson. It's been a wonderful week. And it's going to be a better weekend. Remember, as they open up the city, please, please, please wear your mask and stay safe. Love you all. Goodbye.